Hey friends, if you wish to fix Rainbow 6 Siege server connection error code 3 with the error code 0x0001000b in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to power cycle the modem, router and the computer. Switch off the modem, router, computer, all the three devices. Now switch on the modem only, not the router, not the computer, only the modem. Then wait for a few seconds till all the lights are stable. Now switch on the router and wait till all the lights are stable, and finally the computer. The next one is to use Google's DNS server. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses. Type the address 8.8.8.8 and alternate one 8.8.4.4. Click on OK. Click on OK once again. The next solution is network reset, and this should actually fix the problem. Why? Because a network reset will basically entail all the commands like releasing and renewing the IP address, and then flushing the DNS and resetting WinSock and everything. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can select advanced network settings, and then you can select network reset and then select reset now and then click on yes. And lastly, you can also check the Rainbow Siege server status. You can check it on any browser. Simply Google it and hit enter, and then you can go to the server status page. Wait till it loads and then check the server status for all devices, whether it has issues or no issues. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.